Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase Wallet. For that, you just have to simply launch your Coinbase Wallet, and here on the home page, you will be able to see the buy option. So you need to tap on buy, and then you will be landed on this page where first you need to change your network, which by default will be Base. So you need to tap over here and select the Binance Smart Chain because you can purchase XRP on this network. So now you just have to simply tap on the buy option, and here you need to use the search bar. In the search bar, you just have to type XRP and select this XRP, that is Binance PEG XRP. So you need to select it, and then you just have to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase, or you can even select the amount over here in the top. Now you need to press continue to payment in the bottom and then press continue again. So what this will do is it will redirect you on the provider's website where you just have to enter the amount again, and you just have to create your account on this platform. Now in my country it is on ramp, but in your country it might be different or the options might be different. So you just have to simply conclude your payment, and once your payment is successful, you will get your XRP in your Coinbase wallet in no time. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.